Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme X smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can insert SIM cards in Realme X smartphone. First of all, find out the hole which is present on the right side of your phone and insert SIM ejector tool into the hole. Push down into the hole and the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out. See here, there are only two slots, so you cannot use SD card here. Only two SIM cards can be inserted as it is 128 GB internal memory. So no need of going memory extension here. In the first slot put one nano SIM and in the second slot put another nano SIM. There is no slot for SD card. Just insert this SIM tray into the phone now. Insert here. Yes, two SIM cards are properly inserted. You can modify settings here itself, otherwise you can do it later. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.